Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. If accounting software were dating profiles, ZipBooks would say low commitment, no drama, while Invoice Ninja would say customizable, powerful, and ready to grow with you. So let's jump straight into pricing before one of them asks for a subscription. ZipBooks starts with a completely free starter plan, and this free tier allows unlimited invoices, unlimited customers and vendors, digital payments through Square or PayPal, basic reporting, and one connected bank account. For freelancers and very small businesses, this free tier already handles basic invoicing and light bookkeeping without asking for a credit card. ZipBooks then moves to the smarter plan at $15 per month. This tier adds recurring invoices with auto billing, automated reminders, saved invoice line items, multiple connected bank accounts, account notifications, time tracking, and up to 5 team members. For businesses that want more automation but still prefer simplicity, this plan is often the sweet spot. The sophisticated plan costs $35 per month and is where ZipBooks leans more into bookkeeping intelligence. It introduces smart tagging by project and location, fast reconciliation tools, locked books, secure document sharing, more advanced reports, and unlimited users. There is also an accountant plan designed for firms offering bookkeeping services with client management tools, bulk editing, co-branding, and data migration support. Now let's compare that directly to Invoice Ninja's pricing. Invoice Ninja also starts with a true free plan at $0 per month, supporting up to 5 clients with unlimited invoices. Unlike ZipBooks, Invoice Ninja's free plan already includes professional invoice templates, full branding, online payments, recurring invoices, inventory tracking, project creation, billable time tracking, expense management, deposits, partial payments, and a full client portal. For service-based businesses, this free tier is surprisingly powerful. Invoice Ninja's Ninja Pro plan costs $12 per month when billed annually. This removes Invoice Ninja branding, unlocks unlimited clients and invoices, enables custom invoice designs, branded URLs, email invoices through Gmail, more professional templates, recurring and auto-billing invoices, API integrations, password-protected client portals, automatic reminders, invoice PDF attachments, client e-signatures, approval checkboxes, and expanded reporting. The enterprise plan costs $16 per month annually and adds multiple users, role-based permissions, branded client portals with custom domains, bank syncing, and advanced e-invoicing formats like UBL and PEPAL with included credits. Premium Business Plus is custom priced from around $240 and includes concierge support and deep customization. Now let's talk ZipBooks features. ZipBooks is built around ease of use and financial clarity. It focuses on invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, time tracking, and intelligent categorization that helps users understand profitability without complex reports. Its smart tagging system helps businesses see which projects or clients are actually making money. The interface is clean, friendly, and designed for non-accountants. As for pros and cons, ZipBooks shines in simplicity, clean design, and quick onboarding. It's easy to learn, visually appealing, and well suited for freelancers and consultants. The downside is limited customization, fewer integrations, and weaker invoicing depth compared to Invoice Ninja. Businesses that need advanced automation or client portals may outgrow it quickly. Now let's really unpack Invoice Ninja, because this is where flexibility, control, and long-term scalability start to separate it from simpler tools like ZipBooks. Invoice Ninja isn't just an invoicing app, it's an invoicing system designed to adapt to how different businesses actually work. Whether you're a freelancer sending a handful of invoices or an agency managing multiple clients, projects, and recurring payments, Invoice Ninja is built to scale without forcing you to change platforms later. At its core, Invoice Ninja offers powerful invoicing capabilities. You can fully customize invoices with your own branding, layouts, fields, and line items, allowing invoices to match your business identity exactly. Recurring invoices and auto-billing make subscriptions and retainers effortless, while automated reminders help reduce late payments without awkward follow-ups. Everything is designed to save time while keeping cash flow moving. One of Invoice Ninja's standout features is the client portal. Clients can log in to view invoices, download documents, make payments, and review their payment history in one place. This dramatically reduces email back and forth and creates a more professional experience for customers. From the client's perspective, everything feels organized and intentional, which often leads to faster payments. Invoice Ninja also shines for service-based businesses through built-in project and time tracking. You can track billable hours, assign them to specific projects, and convert that time directly into invoices. Expense tracking allows you to attach receipts, categorize costs, and allocate expenses to clients or projects, making profitability much easier to understand. Inventory management is also included, which is helpful for businesses selling products alongside services. Payment flexibility is another strong point. Invoice Ninja integrates with multiple payment gateways, allowing clients to pay via credit card, bank transfer, or other supported methods. Payments are recorded automatically, keeping invoices and reports accurate without manual intervention. Multi-currency support makes it suitable for businesses working with international clients as well. A feature that truly sets Invoice Ninja apart from ZipBooks is deployment flexibility. Invoice Ninja can be used as a hosted cloud solution or fully self-hosted on your own server. For businesses that care about data ownership, privacy, or compliance, this is a major advantage. Developers and technical teams also appreciate the robust API, which allows Invoice Ninja to integrate into custom workflows, CRMs, or internal systems. Now let's be realistic about pros and cons. On the positive side, Invoice Ninja offers one of the most powerful free plans available: deep customization, strong automation, flexible hosting options, and excellent scalability. It's especially well suited for freelancers, agencies, consultants, and growing service businesses. On the downside, the interface can feel overwhelming for first-time users, setup takes time, and businesses looking for full accounting features, like payroll or tax filing, will need additional tools or integrations. When it comes to ratings, both platforms are well regarded, but for different reasons. Invoice Ninja typically holds an average rating of around 4.7 stars out of 5 on platforms like Capterra, with users praising its flexibility, value for money, and feature depth. ZipBooks scores around 4.5 out of 5, with reviewers highlighting its clean interface, ease of use, and quick setup for freelancers and small service businesses. Some ZipBooks users do note limitations as their businesses grow, especially around customization and advanced reporting. Ratings can vary by region and over time, and some review data may not always reflect the most recent updates, so it's always best to check current reviews directly. Now for the final takeaway. If you want simplicity, clean design, and fast onboarding, ZipBooks is an excellent option for small service businesses. If you want customization, automation, and room to scale without switching platforms later, Invoice Ninja is the stronger, long-term choice. Click the link below to access the software, explore the features hands-on, and choose the platform that fits how you work today and how you plan to grow tomorrow.